Hello viewers. You are watching game designer Yasir Ahmed and I am Yasir Ahmed. This is our new computer virus making series to prank your friends. This is part 1 of virus making. In this video we will make a virus which shut down your computer after opening it. The virus show a key which you type and computer will shut down in 10 seconds. First open the notepad. I give this code in the description of the video. It is a harmless virus. If you like this video then share with your friends. Let's get started. If you don't subscribe our channel, please kindly subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get latest updates. Here you type a message which you wants to appear on Vidum computer before shutdown. For example, I type a message: your computer is hacked by Yasir Ahmed. Thanks for watching. Waiting for next video.